Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yudi Sahri Ramadan. I'm from Information System Program. I will discuss the importance of reinstalling the laptop. What is reinstall? Reinstall is the process of reinstalling a new operation by eliminating the old system. Why does your computer need to reinstall? One of the causes of slow laptop performance is a hard disk that is too full. You need to know the operating system requires memory capacity of temporary file, swap file, fragmentation, and so on. That the capacity required by the operating system is not available or full. Your laptop's performance will slow down. So that to reduce the full memory capacity, the laptop must be reinstalled to that unnecessary file can be deleted and the laptop returns to its initial setting. Besides that, apart from requiring slow loading processor that is too hot is one of the main causes of laptop restarting the frequently. In addition, there is also the possibility that the computer is exposed to a virus. The virus makes memory work burdened by doing the same process over and over again. Thus, the laptop can restart by itself. Therefore, you need to reinstall to remove virus the attack laptop. Thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.